Welcome to Otisam Mathematics. I am on the series, the 7 building blocks of mathematics. Block 6, Simultaneous equation. Now, in today's video, I'm going to solve questions on applications. So what it means is that the question will be given to you in a statement form. You have to construct your own equation before you solve them. If you have been following me, I've done a similar video in linear equation where the question will be given to you and you construct your own equation. Now, the principle in which we construct the equation are the same. So I will urge you to go back to that video, watch it, know the clues, how to form equations. The sum of the ages of Daniel and his friend Adam is 35. Daniel's age is 2/3 of Adam's. Find their ages. Well, we don't know the age of Daniel and then his friend Adam. So what we can do is first let Dan's age be D, and then let Adam's age be A. So let's begin to form the sum of the ages. So the sum D plus A is equal to 35. That is equation 1. And then the next one, Daniel's age is 2/3 of Adam's age. So Daniel D is equal to 2/3 of Adam. This is my equation 2. So we now have our two equations. So it's easier to solve it. Now I have explained two methods of solving simultaneous equation: substitution and then elimination. You look at the question and then select the method which is suitable or which is easier to use. In this question, I'm going to use substitution because already D is equal to 2/3 of A. So we just replace this in equation 1. So put D into 1. So this implies that wherever you see D, put 2/3 there. So 2/3 of A plus A is equal to 35. This is a fraction. So let's clear it. To multiply through by 3. So this by 3, this by 3, this by 3. This will cancel. So we have 2A plus 3A. 35 times 3 is 105. So which implies that 5A is equal to 105. So we want to find A. Now 105 divided by 5 is 21. So let's look at D becomes D is 2/3 of A. So 2 on 3 times 21. So 3 will go here, 1 go here, 7. So D is equal to 2 times 7 is 14. So therefore Daniel's age is equal to 14 years and Adam's age is 21. The ratio of the present ages of Akwesi and Yao is 2:9. 4 years ago, the sum of their ages was 47 years. How old is Yao now? So we don't know their ages. So we can say let A be, or let K be Kwesi's present age, and then you let Y be Yao's present age. So the first one is the ratio of Kwesi. So Kwesi is to Yao is equal to 2:9. Now this is the ratio. This implies that Kwesi's age over Yao's age is equal to 2 like 9K. So we can say Yao will be 9 on 2k. Now 4 years ago, so 4 years ago, Kwesi's age be k minus 4, and then Yao's age will be y minus 4. The sum of their ages. So this implies that k minus 4 plus y minus 4 should give us 47. Now care must be taken. So k plus y minus 8 is equal to 47. So we can say k plus y is 47 plus 8. So k plus y is equal to 55. That's our second equation. So we know that y is 9 on 2. So this put y into equation 2. So which implies that k plus 9 on 2k is giving us 55. So let's multiply 2 by 2. We have 2k plus 9k equal 2 times 55 is 110. So we have 11k is equal to 110. So k will be 110 over 11, which is 10. So therefore, Yao's age will be 9 on 2 times 10, which will be 45 years. Okay, so that is Yao's age, which is 45 years. 3 friends went to a workshop. The first bought 3 pens and 4 pencils for 30 Ghana cedis. The second bought 2 pens and 5 pencils for 27 Ghana cedis. If the third bought a pen and a pencil only, how much did he pay? That is another application question. So as I've told you, we don't know the parameters. I mean the cost of a pencil and then the cost of a pen. So we can begin by saying let the cost of a pencil or a pen be equal to x, and then let the cost of a pencil be equal to y. So let's go back to the question. 3 friends went to a workshop. The first bought 3 pens and then 4 pencils. So 3 times the price of a pen plus 4 times the cost of a pencil, y, is equal to 30. Let's label it as equation 1. Then the second bought 2 pens plus 5 pencils and is equal to 27. That is our equation 2. We now have our equation. So we can use any of the methods that we have discussed so far to solve this. Looking at this question, I'm going to use elimination method. I want to eliminate x. Now the coefficient of x in the first equation is 3. The coefficient of x in the second equation is 2. Now to make them the same, the LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. So you ask yourself, what should I multiply by 3 so that I get 6? So we can multiply equation 1 by 2 and then equation 2 by 3. So we are going to have 2 times 3x is 6x, 2 times 4y, 8y, 2 times 30, we are now having 60. Let's label it as equation 3. And then let's come to equation 2. We said that we are multiplying equation 2 by 3. 3 times 2x is 6x. 3 times 5y, 15y. 3 times 27, we have 81. So let's label this one as equation 4. Okay. Now, the coefficients are now the same and the signs are the same, so we subtract. We can say that equation 4 minus equation 3. 6x minus 6x will go to 0. 15y minus 8y is 7y. which is equal to 81 minus 60, 21. Let's divide both sides by 7. So our y is equal to 7 going to 21 3 times is equal to 3. Knowing the value of y, we can put it in any of the 4 equations and find our x. So I want us to use equation 2. Put y in equation 2. So this implies that 2x plus 5y is 3 times 3 is equal to 27. So we have 2x plus 15 is equal to 27. So 2x 27 minus 15. So this implies that 2x is equal to 27 minus 15 is 12. To find x, you divide both sides by 2. So our x is equal to 6. So which means we first define that the cost of a pen should be x. So the cost of a pen is 6. And then the cost of a pencil is 3, which is y. Now we have to find the amount that the third person paid if he had a pen and a pencil. So therefore, the third person will pay, because it said a pen and a pencil only, will pay 3 plus 6, which is 9 Ghana cedis. That is your answer. So viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. As usual, if you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button